In a beautiful forest named Nilgiri, there were many beautiful birds. There was a blue sparrow who lived with other birds, and she was very proud of her beauty. Everyone used to call her Neeli. One day, a parrot came to her and said, "Hey Neeli, how are you?" "I have seen you after so many days. Where were you?" Neeli replies, "You go away from here. I am cleaning my wings. Go away from here." The parrot says, Then the parrot says, "Don't be so proud, Neeli. Don't be so proud of your beauty. One day you will get a lesson." After few days, there was Cuckoo's birthday, and she invited all the friends for her birthday party. She went to all the birds and invited them. Everyone was doing preparation as there was Cuckoo's birthday, and some were collecting flowers and some birds were collecting fruits. Everyone was engaged in decorating the tree and collecting some or the other things for the birthday party. And Neeli was just sitting on the branch of a tree, and she was sitting quiet without doing anything. All the birds started making fun of her. "Hey, who has invited her? See how she is sitting, as if she is a queen, and she is not doing any work." Then the cuckoo says for all the birds that I have invited her for my birthday party, as she is the member of this jungle too, so she should be invited. Then after few days, there came a family along with a small boy. They were visiting the jungle, and as soon as they saw the beautiful birds, the boy said to his father, "Hey, see that! Mother, father, see that beautiful bird! See that beautiful bird! Her color is blue and her wings are very beautiful. I like that bird." The boy said to his father, "I want that bird. I will show it to my friend's mom. I want that bird." Then his daddy said, "Let me see where it is sitting." "Yes, I can see it on the branch." "Okay, we will throw some grains on the ground. Then the bird will come to eat the grains on the ground and we will catch it. Come on, now I will throw some grains on the ground." So the man threw the grains on the ground. Neeli saw the grains and came to the ground to eat all the grains. She started eating the grains. Then the man trapped Neeli and catch her and put. The family caught Neeli in the cage and started walking through the jungle. Then after some time they felt tired and they thought that they should take rest under a tree and started to take rest. Meanwhile, Cuckoo and Parrot saw that their friend Neeli has been caught. Cuckoo said, "Now what to do?" Then Parrot and Cuckoo went to Neelie and they started talking with Neelie. "Hey Neelie, don't worry. I will give you an idea," Cuckoo said. "You do one thing as the family is sleeping." Cuckoo says, "Neelie, don't worry. I will give you an idea. Now, as the family is sleeping, you do one thing. As soon as they wake up, you do an action of dying, and they will take you out of the cage." So, when the family woke up, Cuckoo did the same. And then the family took out Cuckoo from the cage and she flew happily to another tree. The moral of the story is that stay united with others. Then Cuckoo and all other birds stay happily in the jungle. Now Neelie was friend of all the other birds and